Traveling is exciting. But before you jet off, it's important to understand baggage fees. Airlines have specific rules about luggage. Knowing these rules can save you time and money. Imagine arriving at the airport only to find out your bag is too big. Or you might be surprised by unexpected fees at check-in. Planning ahead makes your trip smoother. Let's dive into the world of baggage fees and rules for major U.S. airlines. Knowing the luggage rules in advance can help you avoid this kind of stress. It's always better to be prepared. This guide will help you navigate the ins and outs of airline baggage policies. Most airlines allow one carry-on bag and one personal item. A personal item could be a purse, backpack, or laptop bag. It must fit under the seat in front of you. Carry-on bags go in the overhead bins. But sizes and weight limits vary by airline. Always double-check the airline's website for the latest information. Measurements include handles and wheels. Make sure your bag fits the dimensions before you arrive at the airport. Remember, airlines strictly enforce these limits. If your bag is too large, you may have to check it. This can result in unexpected fees. Checked bags are larger and heavier than carry-ons. They travel in the plane's cargo hold. Most airlines charge fees for checked bags. These fees vary depending on the airline, route, and time of year. The weight limit for a standard checked bag is usually 50 pounds. Dimensions are typically around 62 linear inches. This is the total of the bag's length, width, and height. Again, it's essential to confirm these details on the airline's website. Checking your bags can add to the cost of your trip. Be sure to factor in these fees when budgeting for your vacation. Packing efficiently can save you money and hassle. Roll your clothes instead of folding them. This saves space and prevents wrinkles. Use packing cubes to organize your belongings. This makes it easier to find what you need. Consider wearing your bulkiest items on the plane. This frees up space in your luggage. Choose versatile clothing items that you can mix and match. This way, you can pack less. Packing light is a skill worth mastering. It makes traveling more enjoyable and less stressful. Plus, it can save you money on baggage fees. Spirit Airlines, baggage fees and policies. Spirit Airlines is known for its low fares and a la carte pricing. This means you pay for only the services you need. This includes baggage. Spirit charges fees for both carry-on and checked bags. Carry-on bags on Spirit have a smaller size limit than many other airlines. The fee for a carry-on bag varies depending on when and where you purchase it. Checked bag fees on Spirit also vary based on several factors. Spirit Airlines offers a membership program called $9 Fare Club. Members get discounts on baggage fees and other travel services. Frontier Airlines baggage fees and policies. Frontier Airlines is another ultra-low-cost carrier. Like Spirit, Frontier charges fees for carry-on and checked bags. Frontier's carry-on bag size limit is slightly larger than Spirit's. However, Frontier's checked bag fees can be higher than Spirit's. Frontier also offers a discount program called Discount Den. Members enjoy lower fares and baggage fees. They also get early access to sales and special offers. Frontier and Spirit's baggage fees can add up quickly. Consider packing light or shipping your luggage ahead of time. Southwest Airlines, baggage fees and policies. Southwest Airlines stands out for its generous baggage policy. They offer 2 free checked bags per passenger. This is a significant perk for travelers who prefer to check their luggage. Southwest's carry-on bag policy is also generous. They allow 1 carry-on bag and 1 personal item for free. However, Southwest's weight and size limits for carry-on bags are similar to other airlines. Southwest's free checked bags make it a popular choice for families and travelers with lots of luggage. Section 8. Delta, United, and American Airlines, baggage fees. Delta, United, and American Airlines are major U.S. airlines with similar baggage policies. They all charge fees for checked bags. The fees vary depending on the route, time of year, and fare class. These airlines also offer free carry-on bags and personal items. However, the size and weight limits for carry-on bags are strictly enforced. Be sure to check the airline's website for the latest information. These airlines offer various credit cards with travel perks. These perks often include free checked bags and priority boarding. Restricted items. What not to pack. For safety reasons, certain items are prohibited in both carry-on and checked luggage. These include explosives, flammable materials, and firearms. Other restricted items include sharp objects, tools, and sporting equipment. Some items are allowed in checked bags, but not in carry-on bags. These include liquids, gels, and aerosols over 3.4 ounces. It's essential to familiarize yourself with the TSA's list of prohibited items. Knowing what you can and cannot pack can save you time and trouble at the airport. Section 10. Cost-saving strategies. Avoiding or reducing baggage fees. There are several ways to avoid or reduce baggage fees. Packing light and only bringing essentials is the most effective method. Consider shipping your luggage ahead of time if you have a lot to pack. Joining an airline's loyalty program can earn you free checked bags. Many credit cards offer free checked bags as a perk. Look for cards that align with your travel needs. By being prepared and informed, you can navigate the world of baggage fees with ease. Happy travels!